guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Cutie588 coming to you guys with my first Shein review. Now I got a couple items on Black Friday. Couple items, like a lot of items, because I just couldn't beat the price. Honestly, you guys, I think everything was literally under $10. Yeah, under $10, and a lot of the things were under $8. So I know it's kind of late because Black Friday has come and gone, but I just wanted to come to you guys to show a few of the things that I got. So I'm just gonna jump right in. I didn't get any accessories or anything like that. It's just pretty much tops or like two-piece sets and I think a couple sweaters. So I wanna hop right in. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the winter stuff. So I'll show you guys the winter stuff and I'll try it on later because it's hard for me to go back and forth with recording it like this and trying it on. So I want to show you guys my favorite piece, okay? So excited about this sweater. I think this was the most expensive item. I think, oh my gosh, I gotta find the price for you guys. But I already wore this once when I went to SeaWorld to their Christmas celebration. And it is this cute color block striped sweater, okay? Oh my gosh. I love this freaking sweater. It is so cute. My husband even said he liked this sweater. It's oversized, but it has like the jagged hem at the bottom all the way around. And the colors are so cute. Now my husband said it looked like Sesame Street. Because we went to Sesame Street in Orlando with my girls, their Christmas celebration, and he said it looked like Sesame Street colors, but it is so cute and it's like stretchy, and I love the fact that it hangs off your shoulder. Like I said, I'm going to insert a clip of me trying this on, but I could not get this, okay? It was a part of one of their flash sales, and their flash sale, you have to wait like 4 hours until it actually goes on sale, and then you have to grab it fast because they only sell like 200 of them and they sell quick. So this is one of them. One of my favorite sweaters. I love this piece. The next thing I got was this teddy jacket. I think this was color khaki. It's like a little teddy, like they call it teddy because it really looks like a teddy bear material. And it is really, really warm and fuzzy, but it's cropped. It's definitely cropped. Only thing about this is the sleeves are really, really short. So I'm actually gonna put it on. The sleeves are short, y'all. Like I'm 5'9", and look. Look. Like, look how much room I have. My arms are like super skinny. Look how much room I have. Like, wait, let me. But I could not get this. I want a full-size teddy coat, but it does not get that cold. I live in Florida. It does not get that cold here in order to have a coat, but it is cropped and it just simply zips up. It has 2 pockets. So cute and warm. I think I worn this one time, but I love it. I love this jacket. It was so cute. All the prices and links will be below to the Shein website directly to the item if it's not sold out. So yeah, I love this jacket. Okay, so I think that was the only 2 like warm pieces I had. I didn't get any other like cardigans or anything like that. So this is one of my favorite. I love this color. Look at this color. This is actually a 2-piece set. So this is a skirt, and it has like an asymmetrical hem with the turtle buttons. I think they call these like turtle buttons. But y'all, this is an extra small. The only thing about Shein flash sales is the different sizes go very quickly. So this is an extra small. I love Shein stuff. They're so high quality. When you get stuff from China, you don't know what size it is. The tag be all messed up. This says extra small, so it's really, really good quality. It's a ribbed material and very stretchy. So I can wear a small or medium depending on what the item is. But this has really good stretch, and even though it's an extra small, I can definitely fit it. But if you wear like a large, in between a medium and large, you would definitely need to size up. But this was the last size they had. So I had to get an extra small because I wanted it so bad. And here is the top. Don't you love that color? Like, mustard colors is just amazing. I love it. And I think it looks really good on my skin tone. So I'll definitely try this one on as well. And oh, let me show you the size for this one. This was a medium. The teddy jacket was a medium. And this sweater, oh, I don't see it. I think this was a large, but like I said, I'll check below. But yeah, I love this two-piece set. It has the buttons on it, just like the skirt. So cute. I'll definitely try this one on for you guys. So this is one of many two-piece sets I got on Black Friday. So this was another two-piece set. Oh my God. This was like under $8, I think. So this one is a large. This one is a large. I like to size up, and if I have to wash it and shrink it, I have no problem with that. So I like to size up. This is a large. It's also a ribbed material, but the ribs are kind of more spread out. And the sunlight is really washing this out right now. It's definitely a dark army green. It's a dark army green, and it has the tube top to go with it. That is so cute. So the tube top to go with it. This is a large, and like I said, I can fit a small or a medium, but this fits as well. I don't mind it being a little big. I don't like my stuff tight. I like to have a little bit of space. So this one also has, as you can see, I'm obsessed with these type of buttons, but the skirt doesn't have any buttons. It's just a plain mini skirt. So cute, y'all. Please check out Shein. Like their prices are amazing. So that's another one of the mini two-piece sets I got. You can kind of get away with those two in the wintertime if it's not that cold. If you're living in Florida and it's not that cold, sometimes you have like 70-degree weather. The rib material kind of goes with the winter. I don't know, but you can get away with it if it's a warmer day. So this is another one. This is really for more of the summertime, but it is a striped. This is black and white. Striped two-piece set. I told y'all I went crazy with two-piece sets. They are my favorite. But this is a midi skirt, so it's really long. It's really long. I'm 5'9", and this skirt still goes under my knees. So see, it's really long. And then it has a tube top to go with it. So this is perfect for cruises. I really wanted the navy blue one, but they had sold out by the time I realized that this is on flash sale. So yeah, black and white stripes, two-piece set. So cute. I do not have anything like this. I will definitely be rocking this in the summertime. Yes, this is so cute. So next item, another two-piece set that I did not have. I don't have a navy blue two-piece set. So this is also a long midi skirt. I think this one is longer than the black and white one. This is, oh, I forgot to tell you guys the size. The size of the black and white one is hold on. This one is small. This one is the small. So it fits nice. So this one is a size small as well. And it's a navy blue ribbed. As you can see, I am obsessed with the ribbed. And this is really washing it out, this light. But it's a ribbed midi skirt, so it definitely goes below the knee. I'm really tall. If you're a short girl, this is going to come to your ankle. Like really, because this is long. But this comes below my knee to my calf. And then the top is really unique and cute. I love the way the model had it. So it's a top, and it has sleeves. So it's a top and it has sleeves, but it has like this tie at the bottom. So you can tie it in the front and make like a cute little bow. So you can kind of tie it and make like a bow in the front. So I thought that was really cute. And I find this shirt to be a little bit oversized for a small. As you can see, it has a lot of, but I think it's meant to be like that, kind of like baggy. Not baggy, but kind of oversized. to kind of hang a certain way, and then you go into the tight skirt. So really, really cute. I love this two-piece set. So this is like a navy blue set. Love, 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 love. I don't think I got this shirt from, did I get this shirt from Shein? No, I got this from Romper. I got this from Romper. Disregard that one. That'll probably be another review. But this is a cute top I got from Shein. Once again, Black Friday flash sale. I don't know if these are available. They won't, oh, I forgot to mention, they won't be available at the price point that I bought them because it was a Black Friday flash sale. So, of course, they're gonna probably have these items still on the website if they're not sold out, but they're not gonna be the price that I paid because I got a Black Friday deal. So just a disclaimer there, but this is so cute. It's like a rose pink with a tie accent and like the frilly sleeves. So cute. This is a size medium. Of course, ribs with the buttons, obsessed, okay? But I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors. So cute. Definitely gonna try that one on for you guys. And this is another top that I got. It does say faith, hope, and love. So I really thought this was a cute little message, and I love this pink, and I have some pink Pumas that go with this perfectly. It matched perfectly. So I went ahead and got it. I got a medium because I wanted to be able to tie it in a cute little knot on the side or in the front. But it's a nice stretchy material, and the print is really good quality. It's not gonna lift or anything like that. So this is a size medium. Faith, hope, love. So cute, very stretchy, very breathable and cool. It's not like a thick cotton material. So I love, love, love this. So this romper is so cute. It says super, 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 super. So it kind of looks like the Supreme, how it says the stuff that you guys seen that says Supreme, but this is a romper. It is so cute, so cute. So I got a size medium because, like I said, I don't like my stuff fitting super small. So I got a size medium, and it is a romper, and it says super. So cute. It stretches at the top, and it's like a really stretchy cotton material. So I thought this was pretty good quality. The only thing in the washing machine, you have to be careful. You probably shouldn't dry this because it may like stick together. You know what I mean? And this came with like tissue paper in it. So some of the tissue paper kind of stuck, and it kind of has that spot right there, but ain't nobody gonna notice. I love it. So as you can see, I have a thing for neon. This is a neon honey shirt. I had to get this, okay? I want some filas. I've seen some neon filas, neon and white filas. That would be so cute. And it has like this strap at the bottom that goes over your stomach. But if you're not careful, this will show your underboob because this part is short. Like if you raise your hands, it'll show your underboob. So be careful of that. But I did get a size small. I would have gotten a medium, but I don't think it was available. But it's fine because it stretches a lot. It stretches a lot. But how cute is this neon honey shirt? Like, come on. This is so cute. Definitely got to try that on for you guys. Another t-shirt I got. I'm obsessed with the honey. Honey. So, as y'all can see, I like honey. I like pink, black, white. This was like perfect. I love this top. It's just a regular top, nothing special. This is an extra small, but I think it's meant to be like oversized because look how big this extra small is. And it's sort of cropped. It's like a long crop. So definitely wear it with some jeans. I just love it. I love honey. The honey words on it, and it's stretch. Like I said, it's extra small. So really, really good quality. I love it. This is another two-piece set. Now, I didn't realize that I got two navy blue two-piece sets. This one came in a lot more colors, but the only color available was navy blue, and I didn't realize that I already got a navy blue two-piece set, but that's okay, because this one isn't ribbed, and it's a different style. So this one is not ribbed. It may be slightly see-through, but it's also a long midi skirt. So this one is long. This one's long, and this one comes with a tube top as well, like my other ones did. I think this was under like $8 for the set. So freaking cute, and it's stretchy, and this one is a size medium. This one is a medium, so my size, I had to grab it. Stretchy, really will hug your curves. I love this one. So this is another two-piece set I got. It's kind of like summery, but this was the first set that I got. Shout out to my cousin Tyra, because she really, I knew about Shein, and I had shopped on Shein for a long time before. I mean, a long time ago before, but she really brought to my attention, hey, you need to check out this Black Friday sale. So I did, and this is the first item that she showed me, and I'm like, oh my God, I had to get it. So shout out to Tyra. Check out her YouTube page as well. I'll put her name down here. But yes, this is my two-piece set. This was a size extra small, I think. Yeah, because this was the only one they had. So they had different kind of floral patterns, but I like this one because I love burgundy. Look how pretty that is for a cruise or something. And then they have the skirt. It's the extra small. Like I said, I may have to put a slit in this because it's really tough to walk with this extra small. If it was a medium, it would have been good. But I mean, it's a little tight, especially under my arms. But look how pretty this pattern is. Like, how could you not wear this on a cruise? Love it. Told y'all I got a lot of stuff. So I don't even know what this is. Wait a minute. Oh, so I have a black two-piece set, just like the blue one, but this one has spaghetti straps. So two-piece set. This one is the other one was a medium. The blue one was a medium. This one is a small. This one is a size small. It's black, and this one has the crop top with the spaghetti strap. So you have to get one with spaghetti strap. So very sexy. Like I said, hugs your curves. You can really wear this when you're chilling with some fuzzy slippers at home, or you can put on a necklace, something, and dress it up. So cute. I couldn't believe I didn't have these sets before, but so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. So we're getting down to the last item. I think it's my last it's my last item. So two-piece snakeskin set. Two-piece snakeskin set. Now this one is a little big. I'm probably gonna have to wash this one to shrink it a little bit, because this one is it's a large. So this one, as you can see, it has a lot more material than the other ones, and it's a little bit, as you can see my frame here, and then look how much space I have over here. But it's cool because I can probably easily shrink this. So if you wear a large, this will definitely fit you, because look how much room. It's definitely not a super tight skirt. It's very wide. But I thought it was cute. You can wear this separately. You can wear this with a solid black skirt or jeans, or you can wear this with a solid black top. Shoot, I'll wear this with this. Like, I love two-piece sets because you can mix and match. So this is my last item, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and try them on and show you all how they look on me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little show and tell, and let's continue with the rest of the video.